Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. You all know that we are going through the lecture series for JKSSB aspirants. So, we are going to learn another important question, that is, find the rate of the simple interest per annum. Find the rate of the simple interest per annum if a sum borrowed becomes double in 5 years. Just try to understand the question first. Find the rate. Find the rate. So let R be the rate. We have to find the rate. Okay, rate of the simple interest per annum if a sum borrowed becomes double in 5 years. It becomes double in 5 years. That means जो हमने उधार लाया था, okay, the sum we borrowed from any agency or from any individual, it will become double in 5 years. We have to find the rate of that. That means ये जो after 5 years जो हमें मिलेगा, what will be that? जो इसको उस बंदे को या उस एजेंसी को हमें पे करना है, what will be that? क्या वो प्रिंसिपल होगा, क्या वो सिंपल इंटरेस्ट होगा? So after 5 years, what we have to pay him? We have to pay him not only the principal, not only the rate at which he is giving or they are giving us, but we have to pay him the principal plus the interest for all these 5 years. Okay, so what we call that? Principal plus interest. What we call that? That's called the amount. So we have to pay him the total amount after 5 years. So what will be that? What will be that? We will see. Let R be the rate जो हमें find करनी है और P be the principal. P will be the sum. P को हम वो sum लेंगे और principal जिसको हम principal कहते हैं. Okay, और जो हमारा time है, T is the time and that is 5 years here. Okay, since जो question says us कि जो sum है after 5 years it becomes double, तो that means sum हमने borrow कितना किया है? We borrowed the sum P, तो after 5 years it will become 2P. So after 5 years it will be the amount which we have to pay. So after 5 years A will be 2P. Okay, yesterday I told you the formula for what? For the amount. How we calculate the amount. What is that? It is P into 1 plus RT divided by 100 is equal to, this is 2P. Okay, because it becomes double in 5 years, which implies 1 plus RT divided by 100 will be equal to, this can be dividing both sides by P, this will be transposed to this side. Okay, so this will give us, let's substitute the values. What is R? We have to find the rate, and what is T? T is 5 years. Okay, divided by 100. This will be, let's cancel out the factors. 5 1R, it will be the 520R, which implies, let's do the cross multiplication. 20 into 1, this will be 20 plus it will be R upon 20 is equal to, this and this will go and we will have 2 here, we will have 2 here. Okay, so this will be 20 plus R is equal to, this will become here 20 into 2. Okay, because it is in denominator, and when we will multiply both sides by 20, this and this will go and we will get 20 into 2, which implies, तो ये जो R यहाँ पे रहेगा, यहाँ पे बनेगा 20 into 2 40, और इसको हम ट्रांसफर यहाँ पे करेंगे, this will be minus 20, तो 40 minus 20 it will be 20, तो जो हमें आर निकालनी थी वो क्या है, इट इज 20%। हमारी जो रेट होगी एट विच आवर सम will become double in 5 years, so the required rate will be 20. Okay, first of all try to understand the question. What question? Okay, what question is providing us and what we need to solve the question. क्वेश्चन में हमारे पास क्या था, रेट हमें फाइंड करनी थी और जो हमारे पास क्या था, सम बिकम्स डबल, सम बिकम्स डबल इन 5 years। तो दैट मीन्स आफ्टर 5 years हमें उसको खाली सम नहीं देना था, वी हैव टू गिव हिम बैक द अमाउंट। सम मीन्स प्रिंसिपल प्लस interest। Okay, so this is the formula for the amount, and from this we get the rate is 20. Hope that you may have understood this question. Okay, so try to watch my math school for more interesting question and for more interesting topics for JKSSB aspirants. So wish you all the best for you. Thank you.